I think because my childhood was very tumultuous, it was like a roller coaster. I always had this dream and passion that I will give them a steady and stable life. And I think, alhamdulillah, with my husband, we both had the same goal to give them that kind of a life. And we were actually established in one place. For me, it was like I was running from one country to another, so it was very hard. And making friends and adjusting to every kind of a culture. So for my kids, we all set our roots here in Marlboro, so Marlboro, New Jersey, and it's a diverse population, Hindus, Muslims. And from the very young age, my children, we got them exposed to every kind of a culture. They wanted to they had friends of all different faiths, and they were allowed to go to different events like bar mitzvahs and any baptisms or anything that, any other things that they had from different faiths events. And I let them go to give them that exposure to, and I think that really helped them.